Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in Jeep Liberty, full guide. Start by locating the low side service port and removing its cap, then attach your manifold gauge hose securely. I recommend wearing safety glasses and gloves while working. Check the system pressure readings and compare to recommended values. If pressures are abnormally low, inspect hoses and connections for leaks before charging the system with refrigerant. Prepare tools and safety items before you begin so the process is smooth and safe. Confirm you have R134A refrigerant, a manifold gauge set, a refrigerant scale, and safety glasses. Make sure the vehicle is off and the system is cool to the touch before connecting hoses. Label the low and high side ports and keep a small flashlight handy to inspect fittings. This prep saves time and prevents mistakes when charging the system. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the socks you see here are top quality and they pair well with long garage sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate every view and comment, and your feedback helps me make better guides. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. With everything connected and the engine running, set the AC to max to get accurate readings. Briefly open the low side valve and watch the gauge move, adding refrigerant in controlled bursts. Pause frequently to let the system equalize and recheck both low and high side pressures. Aim for manufacturer-recommended pressures and stop when they are within range. Finish by replacing the service port cap and cleaning any spilled oil or debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.